This class is for class 6. I am going to discuss question answer of chapter 13, page number 165. I will just give overview of conceptual part and the long question. Try to solve and send through WhatsApp. And previously, some students are there who are sending the answer. When you are sending the answer on time, we are also getting motivation that students are studying in their home, so we feel happy. And one thing, again I repeat, try to get up at early morning, have some physical exercise, try to improve your immunity power, try to have good balanced diet habits, and knowledge give true happiness. So give quality time in your studies. Situation is bad, crucial time for us, but ये टाइम हमेशा नहीं रहेगा, गुड टाइम विल कम. सो जो खराब टाइम में पेशेंसली अपना काम करते हैं वही सक्सेस होता है मेनली. So come to the question number A, objective type questions. Choose the correct option. So number 1, which of the following is an example of a natural source of light? So option are given. I think D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Other are what? Not natural, they are artificial. Number 2, which of the following is an example of a translucent material? Translucent means partial, light pass partially. So that is B answer, smoked glass. Number 3, which of these will not form a shadow? So clear glass, because clear glass light can pass through it, so shadow will not form. Number 4, the shadow of an object does not show the color of the object, because no, the color of shadow is always black. Number 5, which of this is not a part of pinhole camera? Actually, pinhole camera part was not explained. It is very easy, you can also understand if you read the topic. So I think C is the correct answer. Box is there, teeny hole is there, and lens are not mentioned in the topic. Number 2, write T for the true statement and F for the false one. Correct the false statement. Number 1, we can see an object clearly through a translucent material. No, not object cannot see clearly. Partial light is passed through the translucent material. Number 2, shadow are formed only during the day. No, we can see shadow can be formed in night also with the help of artificial light. So false. Number 3, a shadow is formed when an opaque object blocks the light falling on it. True. Number 4, an inverted image is formed in a pinhole camera. That is true. Inverted उल्टा, जैसे हम लोग पानी में से मुंह करते हैं, हम लोग मुंडी नीचे दिखाई देता है. That is called inverted, उल्टा. pinhole कैमरा का डायग्राम में देखो, सीधा डायग्राम. So candle and seen in reverse direction. कैंडल ऐसे उल्टा करके रखा है और इमेज में आपका उल्टा है. So number B, very short answer question. Write 2 examples for each of the following. Number 1, non-luminous object. The object does not have own light. For example, desk, fans, car. Number 2, transparent object. Glass, diamond, light can pass through it. Number 3, regular surface. Plane mirror, surface of a disc. Number 4, object whose shadow can be seen, means opaque object. For example, wall, door. Number 2, define the following. Source of light, where light can be found. For example, star, sun. Number 2, transparent material, light where light can pass through it. For example, glass, water, clean water. Number 3, translucent object, where light can partially pass through it. for example plastic, smoke glass. Number 4, opaque material where light is blocked. Shadow, you can write shadow, no? When light is blocked by an opaque body, when light fall on it, then shadow is formed. And there are 3 important points regarding shadow. You can write that 3 points. Lateral inversion, it is an important point. When we stand in front of plane mirror, तो हम लोग को right hand और left hand opposite में दिखाई देता है. So that is called lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. So number C, short answer question. Give to example. Question number 1. Give to example each of natural and artificial source of light. You can write natural to star, sun, artificial candle, bulb. Number 2. What are rays and beams? Rays, you know, beams means combination of rays are called beams. Represent them diagrammatically. Number 3. List the condition needed for shadow to form. You can write very easy. Number 4. List 3 characteristics of shadow. It is also easy. The color of shadow is always black. Number 2 is original color of the object is not seen, and sizes depend on angle of light falling on it. Number 5. What do you understand by diffusion of diffused reflection? When light falls on what irregular surface, then diffused reflections take place. Long answer question. Number 1. Explain how material are classified as transparent, translucent and opaque. You can write simple. Number 2. With the help of diagram, explain the difference between reflection from a rough surface and reflection from a smooth surface. Smooth surface, when reflection takes place in smooth surface, then regular reflections take place. A defined image is formed, but irregular, random reflections take place. You can shown by with the help of diagram. Number 3. Explain lateral inversion. Very easy. मतलब हम लोग जो प्लेन मिरर के सामने खड़ा होते हैं ना, तो हम लोग इरेक्ट इमेज फॉर्म होता है, इन्वर्टेड इमेज नहीं. इरेक्ट मतलब हम लोग का जैसे हेड ऊपर है तो इमेज का भी हेड ऊपर होगा, और इमेज का साइज और ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज क्या होता है, सेम होता है. बट ना हम लोग का एक लेटरल इन्वर्जन होता है. जैसे राइट हैंड इस साइड में दिखाई देता है, लेफ्ट हैंड उल्टा दिखाई देता है. दैट इज द वन ऑफ द पॉइंट. दैट नंबर 4. डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द इमेज and shadow of an object. Image, for example, the color of object and the color of image is almost same when image is from by plane mirror. Object size, image size is same, and but now in case of shadow, the color is always dark, and object size and image size may not be same, and you can write two difference. Number 5. What is pinhole camera? Explain how image is formed in a pinhole camera. It is given. It is very simple. So mainly regarding pinhole camera, it is a topic of higher studies actually. It is given in your syllabus. So main here is diagram. So draw a diagram and just explain. Only 2 things you have to mention. A box. It is a setup of box and a small hole is there. Okay, and other is inverted images from, you can write that point. So this is all about question answer of chapter 13, and from physics part we have to discuss 2 more chapter. The one is fun with magnet and other is electric current. Both chapter are actually related to higher studies, difficult to explain for your level. So for that actually classroom is needed. Practically we have to show. We have variety type of magnet in our lab, and we have and regarding electric current, you can see a chapter already given to class 7, electric current. You can, and also now you are in class 6, you can see the lecture at least for science and mathematics, na, for higher class also up to 8, 7. If you have time, then you can see at least for 7 and plus 8, because all are conceptual. There are no more difference, and but now apart from study, again I am telling that mainly try to develop good habit, good character. That is most important for life. Character and honesty is the best policy. Do the things from your heart, and try to develop good health. Health is also important. I am also trying, and my health is also improving, and mental management is most important in life. Now, anytime, anytime problem can become. So we have to face honestly, and honestly जब face करते हैं then you'll be you, उसी का growth होता है mainly honestly face करना होता है, and shortcut नहीं है. You have to give the quality time to any problem, and we must हम लोग का पहले से एक solution oriented mind develop करना है. And these things I'm telling from my experience. लाइफ में ग्रोथ करने के लिए, आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रॉब्लम तो आएगा, बट नाउ तो यू आर एन स्टूडेंट, आपके पास बहुत टाइम है. सो अभी से अगर आप 3 चीज़ को ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे, जस्ट हेल्थ, मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी एंड वर्क डिग्निटी. आप कोई भी काम दिया जाता है, टाइम को बर्बाद नहीं करके अगर हर एक सिचुएशन में अगर आप काम कर सकते हो, देन नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू. ओके फाइन.